Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You should start inside Word with the document open. Go to File then Options so you can modify the ribbon directly. This is faster than hunting menus. Once there, choose Customize Ribbon, look under Main tabs, and check Developer. Click OK to apply the change. You'll see the Developer tab appear to the right of View or Help. Make sure Word isn't in a restricted mode like Read Only, otherwise the option may not stick. Once the Developer tab is visible, open it to explore controls and macros. Next, go to File Options Trust Center and click Trust Center Settings so you can control macro behavior. In macro settings, choose the level that fits your security needs. Disable all macros with notification is safest for testing. Also check add-ins and protected view if you need to run templates. If you plan to use macros regularly, consider signing them or adding trusted locations, which reduces prompts. You're almost done. Personalize the Developer tab by adding controls or moving them to the Quick Access toolbar so you work faster. Test by inserting a form control or recording a tiny macro and running it. This confirms Trust Center and macro settings work. If the tab doesn't persist, reset Customize Ribbon or restart Word. If multiple machines are affected, verify group policy or Office deployment settings with your admin. One tip: repairing Office from Control Panel often restores missing ribbon items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.